Today, let me introduce our factories. Impact sockets. Made from high-strength chrome, molybdenum steel, and treated with advanced high-temperature annealing and controlled cooling to 400 degrees. They deliver excellent hardness, toughness, and long-lasting durability. This is our impact socket set, made with premium quality material. Here is the 1-inch drive socket, with clear size markings. This is a 3/4 inch to 1-inch adapter. And this one is a 1-inch to 3/4 inch adapter. Finally, this is a universal joint,